I first met him when I was 3. Tall, large and powerful, he taught me that little brown girls aren't supposed to ask so many questions, like why and how and what if I don't like them. He returned when I proclaimed myself Yu-Gi-Oh Master. I had become honorary Blade champion with custom-made tops of bottle caps and nails. He reminded me that little girls are supposed to be fragile. He came in the form of my mother, pleading for me to wear dresses and mini skirts and lots of pink and pretty little butterfly sandals like all the good little girls.
Like he didn't know I was protecting myself.
I was taught that boys were brave and strong, so I became one.
And suddenly, Chucky wasn't scary.
The boogeyman became a dancer to me.
I'd be comfortably clothed and playing football on the field across the street when I learned that the scariest monsters are the ones that don't hide under beds.
They parade like village elders and punish little girls who don't dress like little girls when mommy says to.
I'd meet his brother when my flower-scented lip gloss begins to pop. My aunt would tell my mother that my ass is getting so big she needs to watch me before the boys start coming around. I'd flip the first page of my Republic reader and smile because that meant I was pretty. At 7, my stepfather taught me how to finger myself. And it made me far more uncomfortable than you feel hearing about it. At 9, I'd be bullied for being too thick for my age, but grown men would always remind me that I was sexy. Like their lust smelled like beef pastels and I was starving. At 10, I'd be told that it's fine for young girls to have crushes on grown men and a kiss is okay once I say okay. Okay. At 12, I'd be told not to lose my virginity too early. That men won't respect me when it's gone. I'd smile and nod my head in agreement. At 15, my stepfather would try to rape me. I'd run away and the police would say that young girls do these things to get their own way. Don't cry because he didn't rape you. And even if he did, it was your fault. Looking grown as shit, walking out of the shower naked with your childbearing hips that curve to form question marks. If anybody raped you, you must have been asking for it. I wish cargo shorts and oversized t-shirts would help. I used to wish to be born a boy until my best friend told me
he was loved by his stepbrother at age 10.
Their society.
I do not wear crop tops to appease your lustful men.
My leggings are not an invitation for you to inquire about how fat my vagina is.
I appreciate the compliments, but catcalls are quite unnecessary.
Their society. On behalf of Sean,
Christy,
Hope,
Mariah,
Francesca,
Sean,
Emmanuel,
Sherry,
Kenya,
Kervisha,
and all the persons who were too afraid to speak out.
I promise that we were not asking for it.